Everybody, Luke Miller here. We had a question come up recently, and so I just wanted to do a really fast video to answer the question. There was some frustration that was happening with kids who weren't finishing hour of code when they first started it, and they would come back the next week and have to do it all over again. I can understand the frustration. That would be super uncool. So you actually don't have to have the kids do it over and over and over again every week from the beginning. There's a really easy way for kids to get right back where they left off when they finished the previous week. So you'll see here I'm in Hour of Code. I'm at the very beginning level. I actually just loaded the page. This is, you guys have all seen this. So what I always do if a kid is in the middle of Hour of Code at the end of a session, of a Code Club session, I tell them to remember the number at the top of the screen, whatever bubble they're in. So you'll see up here, there's bubbles 1 all the way through 20. There's 20 levels of Hour of Code, or at least of this Hour of Code. Let's say they're in 11. You can actually click right into 11, and then it bypasses all of that other stuff, and they get right where they left off, and they can then complete Hour of Code from there. And when they get to the end, they'll get a certificate just like normal. All of that stuff is cool and works just like it would have otherwise. So that's what you need to do. If you see a kid is not done with Hour of Code at the beginning of Code Club, tell them, remember what bubble you're in. And then next week when they come back, you just got to click that bubble and they're right where they left off. I know it's a little confusing. If you hadn't seen that, you wouldn't know you could do that, but it's actually very simple. So I hope this solves some of those headaches. And yeah, take it, use it, and keep building something.